Today I have a small addition to my channel. Once in a while I'll present a photo challenge, offer some tips and tricks, and invite you to link your own photos to the challenge in the comments below. Sounds simple, right? And here's why I'm doing the challenge. If you're like me, it helps as motivation to have a specific assignment. Just saying go out and take pictures is not going to get me off the sofa. But if you tell me, go out and take 7 photos of a snowfall and post at least one of them here, I know exactly what to do. That leads me to my first challenge. Yes, I know a thunderstorm can be dangerous. That's why I'm using a cell phone. Oh, hold on. So long for now.